Hey there, let's use our team's proprietary software, TikTak, to analyze ExecAssist's current profile. We begin by logging in using ExecAssist's Google account. Then we head over to the Profile tab, Profile Settings, and Manage Account to take a look at the overview of the company. With the virtual assistant industry having low barriers to entry in its emerging stages and the potential for a $25.6 billion market size by 2025, ExecAssist looks to capitalize on this opportunity. ExecAssist intends on using their website to target small to medium-sized enterprises amid expansion and needing support with an abundance of tasks as they scale. However, upon analyzing the current business model, some key issues arise. The main issue stems from the high threat of new entrants in the space, emphasizing the importance of having a point of differentiation. Beyond CEO Linda Hardy's industry experience, this is currently lacking in the existing business. Additionally, with the absence of a niche and having only one customer segment, this raises concerns for the long-term sustainability of this business. In evaluating key recommendations based on the company's initiatives, the following determinations were made. Customer satisfaction and growth potential are rated at 30%, implementation costs at 25%, and net profit margins at 15%. Now, let's take a look at some of the recommendations TikTak has to offer.
The first key recommendation focuses on ExecAssist specializing in project management rather than general virtual assistant tasks. This aims to establish a niche and loyal customer base. By offering more customized and personal service, this increases the value provided by ExecAssist and justifies a price restructuring, including an increase in hourly pricing by $20 and a 4% project management fee, both of which work to diversify ExecAssist's revenue streams. To measure the success of this recommendation, we have some critical KPIs to consider. First, the percentage-based project management fee improves customer satisfaction, given the alignment of project success for clients with revenue generation for ExecAssist. This prompts ExecAssist to hone in on client needs to ensure project success and to generate ExecAssist commission. Second, establishing a niche customer segment increases growth potential, as external research has shown that a niche segment improves the effectiveness of word-of-mouth marketing. Lastly, this recommendation has a relatively low implementation cost, given only a slight adjustment to the existing pricing model. Altogether, this recommendation expands on several revenue sources without increasing costs to ensure higher business net profit margins.
Our second recommendation for ExecAssist is to use targeted Google Ads to increase its customer base to include subsidiaries of large corporations. Project management virtual assistants are important for this demographic, given the customer job needs continuous upkeep, especially for transnational corporations. This segment also ensures exposure to the practices of companies at various stages in growth, which is pivotal in the early establishments of ExecAssist. Looking at the effects of this recommendation on our decision criteria, we predict an increase in customer satisfaction, as the acquisition of skills on the virtual assistants through increased exposure to new tasks will strengthen the team's human capital. Furthermore, the customer segment allows for connections with established clients, which increases the growth potential for ExecAssist through word-of-mouth marketing. Additionally, with low implementation costs and high expected revenue brought by the first recommendation of establishing a niche in the project management space works to increase ExecAssist's net profit margin.
In today's ever-evolving world of technology, services in a diverse range of industries are becoming automated. ExecAssist should not be an exception. Our third recommendation for ExecAssist is to devote resources to automating menial tasks such as data entry, bookkeeping, and scheduling. Using software such as Zapier and custom-coded scripts developed by employees, internal tasks including data entry would benefit from automation. This would affect the business's key resources by changing the internal trading practices for platform use on the part of virtual assistants. The benefits of this recommendation would include increased customer satisfaction due to increased efficiency, and a focus on the completion of tasks that require high human capital, which would increase growth potential. There would be an initial implementation cost for Zapier, which would involve devoting some of the company's employees to working on the automation software. Projected costs are $759, which takes into account both the cost of Zapier and the opportunity cost of devoting employees to developing the automation software. In the long term, however, there would be benefits, since this lowers cost of good for ExecAssist.
To summarize, ExecAssist's implementation plan consists of three main steps. Firstly, specializing in project management in the next quarter would allow for revenue and net profit margins brought by the addition of a 4% project cost fee, increased hourly rates, and a maintained monthly retainer. Second, the company should target subsidiaries of large corporations through the use of Google Ads to gain access to the growth potential brought by established clientele. Lastly, automating menial tasks should be carried out in year 2 to improve internal efficiencies and allow virtual assistants to focus on core activities. Collectively, these recommendations increase ExecAssist's customer satisfaction, growth potential, and net profit margins while limiting implementation costs.